Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini ki longi khubor bam ta kasni Deputy Commissioner ke East Jaintia Hills District Ushiv Vanj Awasti IS ha ga video jing tu khubor la pente bakat kum ka jing tha jang ka Honorable High Court of Meghalaya la thau ka kan hun jing trailang joint team ban Pynpra ki kok plan ki batrai kam khlem ka jing pen bor jing ya manjur hapo ka district ka kin hun jing trailang hapo ka jing pet jing lam jing sub divisional officer Manish Kumar IAS bat ka bakan thop yaki he officer na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB bat katnat pulit labatha ban pelong ye ka jing ya Pynpra ya baro ki kok plan bam dan jing ya manjur hapo ka district Deputy Commissioner ulo angru babaro ki kok plan balalap ha East Jaintia Hills District kidan hadu khan brutally ki bla sengkhan da yo ik jingbit ane jingpin bor badon kam katkum ki kendon ki jingtha balabu da sarkar lingba ki notification ba pher na preng kini ki khan brutally ki kok plan bamdang jingya manjur santli la de Pynpra shwa na benta ki khatwei tali ki kok plan ki badang sa na pha ik jingbit na notice ha ubnai October ahajar aksan da ka ba tha iki try plan ban pen I ke jingbut renti ban pha iki kot jingya manjur ada kila yo ke jingbit badan kam ban pen bet ba regularization rei hadu menta option la yo kanu ke jingya kran ne jingya pha jubab na ki kok plan ki bla sha pen bana kat kum ke jingbitha jang Honorable High Court of Meghalaya Abatha ikakin hun jingya trailang banzdang ni ke jingya Pynpra ki khatwei tili ki kok plan bamdan jingya munjur ne ke jingya Pynpra kelas dang madu sinsa jan ai trik no pra arajar aksan kargum ke jingya thu khubor adu ke sngi bala pha ikani ke khubor ka kin hun jingya trailang klala ban Pynpra nyautli na ki khatwei tili ki kok plan bamdan jingya munjur na benta ke sautli ki badangsa alap bakila dep sha Pynpra lupa de ki trai jongki hi kejingya kran jeng Deputy Commissioner ula penram bah kejingya khen pai ba barok ki khatwei tli ki kok plan ki ba bom don jingya manjur kim dang tray kam shu apo East Jaintia Hills District
Ngatang ko belum sengaur ya. Ngat, uluk bikin celata.
So, as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So, in total, there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained necessary permissions for regularization. And since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Jaintia Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants. And for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total, all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.